How to completely uninstall Windows 10 updates. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In this tutorial, in today's video, we're going to show you how to completely uninstall a Windows 10 update. So without further ado, the first step we need is go to our settings, go to this Windows bar right here, click on this settings tab right here, and as you can see, the settings will appear right here. So let's click on update and security. Once you click on that update and security, you will see here check for updates, download and install, or view optional updates. So click on download and install. So let's turn this off too. So once you've done that, you cannot turn this off. Go to view history or advanced options. Update option, receive updates for Microsoft or download updates over metered. You start this device as soon as you have to turn that off. Turn this off too, or select date, delivery optimization. Right here, view optional updates. So here are the optional updates, but for us to stop the download or uninstall update, you have to turn this off right here. So let's go to more settings right here. Options. Just turn off this one, allow download from other PC, or this option right here. So go to settings again, and then type in Windows 10 update. So just click on this one, open this, click on Windows update. If you want to turn this off, you just go to pause updates for 7 days right here, or you can also change that, or you just pause this in order for you to stop the update. So once you've stopped the update, it will automatically uninstall or not install the Windows 10 update. And then view update history right here. So here, let's go uninstall update. Check for the update here. So as you can see, you can update for Microsoft Windows. You can click on that. Right click on this and then uninstall the update. So if you want to uninstall updates like this, feature update to Windows 10, click on that. Right click. Once you right click on that, you can uninstall it right here, and there you have it on how to completely uninstall a Windows 10 update. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to remove a problematic update and restore your system to its previous state. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow, and if you did, please leave the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. And if you need assistance or any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.